Well, the Boone County mother who pleaded guilty on Friday for her role in the starvation death of her teen daughter now faces a much stiffer penalty, all because of a law that was passed in 2017.
That's right. Anna Saunders is live in the studio with a look back at Emmaleig's law and how it's being applied in the Miller case.
That's right. On Friday, Julie Miller pleaded guilty to death of a child by parent by child abuse. This case stemming from the discovery of her daughter, 14-year-old Kyneddi Miller, who was found dead in her home in 2024 in a skeletal state. Julie now faces a sentence of 15 years to life because of it and would be looking at a shorter sentence if not for a law that was passed almost a decade ago in response to another tragic case. Emmaleig's law was named after Emmaleigh Barringer, a 10-month-old who was raped and killed in Jackson County in 2016 by Benjamin Taylor. Taylor is serving life on a murder charge, but was also convicted on the death by child abuse charge too. At the time, the penalty for that was 1/2 of what the Miller will face now. Emmaleig's law was introduced by then Senate President Mitch Carmichael in response to the Jackson County case. It doubled the penalty for death of a child by parent by child abuse and is why Miller is now looking at that sentence.
So pleased to have had a role in the legislation, but again, very sorry about the circumstances in which it was necessary, and I hope it never gets used again.
Miller was initially charged with murder, but prosecutors felt the death of a child by a parent by child abuse was a better fit for the facts of the case. Now, Miller is set to be sentenced in late February. Live in the studio, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.